Natural light versus flash or strobe photography. Natural light photography and flash or strobe photography are two different techniques used in photography to create lighting effects. Natural light photography uses natural light sources such as the sun to illuminate your subject. Flash or strobe photography, on the other hand, uses artificial light sources such as a flash or strobe unit to create the desired lighting. In natural light photography, you must work with the available natural light sources and pay attention to how the light interacts with your subject. The quality and direction of natural light can vary depending on the time of day and weather conditions. At the right time of day, like late afternoon or in cloudy weather, the result is often a soft and natural look that is often flattering for portraits. However, natural light photography is limited by the availability and the quality of natural light sources and may be challenging to control. Flash or strobe photography, on the other hand, provides greater control over the lighting. You can adjust the intensity and the direction of the artificial light source, allowing for more control over the lighting effects. This technique is often used in low light situations or to create dramatic lighting effects. However, flash or strobe photography can create harsh or artificial looking lighting if not used correctly, and may be more expensive due to the additional equipment that is required. Each of these lighting types have their advantages and disadvantages. Natural light is readily available and it is free. In some cases, it can create a soft and natural look that is often flattering for portraits. It can be used to create a specific mood or atmosphere depending on the time of day and weather conditions. It requires minimal equipment and can be done with just a camera and basic knowledge of lighting. It is limited by the availability and the quality of your natural light sources. It can be difficult to control and manipulate the lighting to achieve the desired effect. It may not be suitable for low light situations. It may be affected by weather conditions such as overcast skies or even rain. It allows for greater control over the lighting, as you can control and adjust the intensity and direction of the light source. It can be used to freeze motion or capture fast-moving subjects. It is not affected by the availability or quality of natural light sources. It can be used in low light situations or to create dramatic lighting effects. It requires additional equipment such as flashes or strobe units and is more expensive than natural light photography. It can create harsh or artificial looking lighting if not used correctly. It may not be suitable for creating a natural or soft look unless you have money for big softboxes. It may be distracting or disruptive to a subject. The choice of lighting technique will depend on your specific needs and preferences and the subject being photographed.